Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Low Carb Wishes, Keto Dreams. I'm Heather. Thanks for tuning in. Today I have another product review. It's almost like a product update, I guess, because I did a review for this last year, but they've got new flavors out. So I have got. I actually drank one already because it was good. It was Friday night and I was thirsty. So I've got a couple more of the Coke, the new Diet Coke flavors. This one is the strawberry guava. I drank that one the other day. And this one is the, I can never remember how to pronounce that. It's the blueberry ACAI. Acai? Okay. Oh, let's look it up. That's the convenience about doing this at the computer. Hold on. My husband's headset. Acai. Blueberry and acai berry. There we go. I think I would figure this stuff out ahead of time, right? No. Okay, so this is the one I'm actually going to try today. I tried the strawberry guava one already, and it's good. The flavor is subtle. It's not like you take a sip of it and it tastes like a fruit punch. It's definitely Diet Coke, but then you're like, fruity. So I'm actually going to do two things that I wish I had done with the strawberry. I'm going to actually drink from the can. And then I'm also pouring it into a glass because the taste does kind of change once you put it over ice. And I will have you know, you all are getting our fancy glasses. It's like cut glass type deal. That's good. That's actually a lot more blueberry acai blueberry than the strawberry was. That's good. Yeah, y'all are getting the fancy glasses. We don't do glasses at our house anymore. When my husband and I first got married, oop, I hit the camera. When my husband and I first got married, we had gotten a set of Corelle dishes that were, I think they were the moon glow pattern. I liked them. They were your typical Corelle, ceramic dish, and then, or not, so they're glass, they're some sort of glass. And then it was like, I think purple and blue and like a light green, almost like this color green, rims around it, like circles around the rim. And we got two sets of it, so it was like two sets of four. And we got glasses with it, and they were a matching sort of pattern around the glass, in the same colors. They all broke. Yeah. So we don't do glass. I go to the Dollar Tree and I get me this set of like 4 or 6 cups that are plastic. That's what we use. And I'll tell you one other thing. My foot is the one that's going to find that one little sliver of glass that didn't get picked up by the broom or the vacuum or whatever. I actually broke, after the fire, when we moved into the new place, we actually bought a brand new set of Corelle dishes that were just the plain white, the frost white color. So my feeling is that the frost white's never going to go be discontinued like the moon glow ones were. I had looked for additional sets of them, and the moon glow were actually discontinued. The frost white's never going to be discontinued. They've had it for, pretty sure it's decades at this point. So my feeling was, you know what, I'm going to go with the white Goes with everything, and if I want to fancy it up a little bit, I can buy accent pieces. But anyway, I digress. So I have like one set of glasses that we use like Sunday, like Saturday morning breakfast. That's those. Or we have company over and we get out the nice glasses. Drink the juice in or the milk or whatever. I don't drink juice anymore. But yeah, anyway, I digress. Back to the soda. The guava one was actually very mild. The strawberry guava, actually, it's a really good flavor combination because they're both sort of a fruity fruit. A fruity fruit. Yeah, that's good. That's good, Heather. Really, that works. They're sort of a milder fruit. I don't know. I don't know if that's a good description or not, but they work really well together. Like the strawberries aren't a really, I mean, they can be tart, but they're not like crazy tart. And then okay, I'm back. I don't really know what happened. I got booted out of that video, so I am back. It's actually like a couple of days later. When I went back and looked at everything, I realized like the second portion of my video was gone. I think I got a call incoming, and then it just never, like, when I went back, I must have not hit the button. I don't know, but so yeah, back to what I was saying. I had to go back and watch the video again. No idea what I was talking about. So yeah, the strawberry and guava flavors were really good together. I think in my original video, I liked the mango as well. So, but yeah, I think I think my top two would be the blueberry now, and then the mango. I still think I like that one the best. I'll have to try it again. See if there's somewhere I can get the Diet Coke from. But big thing first, or last really, because it's sort of the end of the video. I would like to thank my family friend Paula for getting those for me. I guess she was at the store and noticed that they had some new flavors, so she got them for me. So thank you. I guess she saw those and thought, oh, she could do something with those. So I went ahead and did a video. Yay! So thank you. Shout outs to Paula. Thank you, Paula. And that's pretty much it. So we will talk to you later. Bye.